just make sure your part is tightened. We're center drilling to create a pilot hole to guide the drill bit into the hole. There's a clue here to get the correct size center drill bit, number 3. So position the tailstock into position, moving the tool away, so there you go drilling. We can leave our speed of a fast at 1200, pulling down the guard, applying on our lock, pulling the handle out and down, the lock is on, and you're drilling forward. And you're drilling in to create that cone shape in the product. If you look in now, we've created this cone shape from the centre of it in the part. That's created the correct part. So that would serve 2 purposes. That allows, if you wanted a different part, that would fit in there now. If you needed to support the work, it was a longer part. But in this instance, we're going to drill this hole. Now we're going to get a 5mm drill bit. Take our part tool out. Close down the jaws first. Then open the jaws slightly, then release it and put in your drill bit. To ensure that it gets caught between the jaws correctly. Tighten it up. Now, on your drawings, we're looking at this part here. It's been drawn. It's an M6, so we're drilling this hole 5mm, and the depth here is better to drill deeper to allow us to tap that hole on the machine. So the minimum depth you have is 15mm, but we're going to drill deeper than that because into a blind hole. So turn your coolant on, pump is on here, set our flow rate using this valve here, close down your coolant, apply on your coolant now. Small amount onto the drill bit, not onto the work. Powering on. Moving forward to the hole, or your lock. Set, as you're coming to the hole, set now your tailstock depth. This is at 0, your point at the corner of the drill bit. 1 full turn of the tailstock is 2.5mm. So once, twice is 5mm, 7.5, 10, 12.5, 15. We're going to increase this up to 40. So continuing on. The reason we're going to drill deeper than the 15 is it's going to be easier to tap. We're going in the full depth of that drill bit. And now we're going to come back out. We're going to full depth of the drill bit in, and we're back out. Fire lock off, away, stop machine. So we've gone in the full length of the drill bit. And the reason for that is we're going to use a tap. And if you only went in 15mm, we don't have to worry about the depth we're going in on the drill bit. So it's crucial that the minimum depth you go in is at least that of the drill bit. You need to drill deeper than you tap. So this is a blind hole, so it doesn't make a difference if we drill deeper. It's actually better, so it's easier for tapping. Now, select the tap, the correct size tap. They're signified by the markings on the back. That's the first, that's the second, and that's the third. So the starting is treads, intermediate tap, and the bottoming tap is treads all the way to the bottom. So first, second, and third in that order. At the back you can see 1, 2 lines and no lines to the bottoming tap, putting treads right to the bottom of the hole. So we're going to go with the first one. Open our trick key. Up our tap. Now we're going to set our speed very slow. We're going to reduce this down to 40. tricky to rotate them through around. Put the speed down here to 40. So now we're at 40 revolutions per minute. The tap is in position. Offer the tap up. Let me start. Turn the coolant on. Lots of coolant, helps in the tapping process. And then usually leave off the lock and push the tap, the tailstock into the hole, and it will grip. As you watch now, when it grips, then you've got the drag in and we're applying pressure from the back. It's threading in itself now at a 0.8mm pitch. So you're watching as you're tapping, stop the machine before you get to the end. This is an M6 by 1mm pitch, so it's traveling 1mm per revolution. So put the machine into reverse, up, and then unthreads out of the hole now, so take the tap back out again. Back out. You can tap away, stop, replace the tap out. Now go to second, tap it in, move forward, power on, and again just apply forward pressure, the locks are off, and it will thread itself into the hole at a nice slow speed of 4 revolutions per minute. Because we've drilled deeper, we're not worried now about the tap breaking in the hole. The hole is deeper than the tap, we check that. Into reverse. And now back away. So the final one is our last tap, putting threads right to the bottom. And right forward, power on. Again, just forward the pressure, it grips it, and it's easy threading in now. No problem. The coolant allows the chip to remove from the hole of the tapping in. Right to the bottom, stop, and out, and up into reverse, and it automatically, I'm doing nothing, it's going back itself, unwinding. So now, we're at the last stage. We tap away, we stop our machine, we take over the little screw, we're going to test now that hole, that thread on the hole inside, see how it's working. You see perfectly, that's now an M6 hole, threaded section into the part.